Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to start a new lecture series of data structures. So, a data structure is a systematic way to organize data so that it can be used efficiently. We can take example of an array. In this, we can store data of so many numbers. So, array is one of the example of that. So, what are data types? Basically, data types are of primitive data type and user defined data type. So, primitive data type are integer, float, we can increase in that like character, which are inbuilt in user. Like if we define a number as int, so it can control two things. It can control two things. First of all, determines the certain domain of a value. Like it can take integer value like 4, 5, 6, 7, and operations allowed on those values are also taken care by this data structure. So these are two types of data structure. So we can the second type of data type is user defined data type. One is structure. We all know about structure. Suppose there is a car, and car is having so many properties, like it is having an engine, it is having, which we can is engine number, it is having a fuel, which type of petrol, like here it is petrol, fuel tank capacity, it is in 37, here it is given 37. So it can be stored using integer. So taking so many values is sometimes not feasible for us. So like here in this also, we take a variable struct point who can take both variable, a user defined variable point in which we can store all values. Similarly, when we come to the example of our car, kindly don't go on my drawing, it is not that good. So when we take the example of an car, so in this car we can store what the fuel tank capacity, mileage, and here we can use interior type. So we all can do this using a user defined function, that is struct car. So this is the importance of structure. Now in our next lecture series we will talk about union. Thank you.